Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Summertime is here and I want to share an easy recipe here to impress your guests. It's my char siu butterfly chicken legs. Give it a try. It's Caribbean ducks. Let's get started. So for our recipe, we're gonna have about maybe 6 to 8 chicken legs, washed and clean. Yes, we Caribbean people, we wash our chicken thoroughly with lime, lemon, or vinegar. And after we done that, get a sharp knife, and you want to cut on the sides of the bone so you can open up your chicken leg and butterfly it. And the reason why we do this is it absorbs more of the seasoning, it cooks evenly, it cooks faster, and it's just absorb all that delicious flavor from the char siu. So we're gonna get started with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine vinegar. And we're gonna add on some of the layers here. So here is 3 teaspoons of Hoi Sin Sauce. And these recipes are very easy to obtain. You can go to any local Chinese style vendor and pick up these recipes easily. So now we're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of 5 spice, Chinese 5 spice. We're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is dark soy sauce with less sodium. And we're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of honey. This is raw honey that's giving me a hard time to pour. And this is optional. You can go in with a little bit of coloring, food coloring, to make it nice and pretty. Yes, guys, mix it well. And now I'm gonna grate or mince 3 cloves of garlic. You wanna get your garlic as fine as possible so that it blends right into this sauce and marinade. So now I'm gonna kick this up a notch, right? We're gonna add some more flavor here. I'm using my all-purpose green seasoning. I'm gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of that and give it a good massage and get that marination started. This is my own home blended recipe here. So to add more flavors, I went in with my all-purpose seasoning, and now I'm gonna go in with half of the portion of my marinade, my char siu marinade, and we're gonna give it a nice toss in that. Look at that brilliant color, and it's smelling great already. Imagine when it's cooked, right? So I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator to marinate for about a couple of hours. And before I get started, I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of water to my tray. I'm doing this in a conventional oven. So 2 things: the water steams, keep the meat moist, and prevent anything from burning and causing a fire. So pop it in the oven after we get it there. And we're gonna go for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're gonna take it out, glaze it, flip it over, and glaze the other side with some of that leftovers marinade, right? So we're gonna repeat this process about 3 times totally. And so we wanna get as much of that flavor marinated into the meat, and also to glaze and cook onto that meat so we get a nice char with all the sugars and all the flavors, right? So it's so super easy to do, right? But it takes a little bit of time, so you're gonna need to glaze and flip it over a total amount of 3 times. And here it is, guys. After about 45 minutes, it's done, and we're ready to plate up. Char siu chicken butterfly legs coming right up. And I'm gonna cut into it and show you. It's so moist and so delicious, steaming hot, and so easy and tender to cut, and it just tastes very, very good. I'm gonna give this a try and tell you how it goes. Super juicy, super tender, and lots of flavor, guys. Give this recipe a try. And remember to check out the description box below for the entire recipe. Hope you guys give this one a try. Leave a thumbs up, give a comment. Happy barbecuing this summer. Enjoy, stay blessed, have a good day.